Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new profile on Netflix. As you can see right here, I have Netflix signed in on my PC. And once you sign in, you will see the current profiles that you have, if you have any. It's a together account. This is one for my kid. And this is another option where I can create new profiles. So all I have to do is simply click add profile. And I want to give this one a name. So I'm going to call this one Drew, and here you can choose if the profile is for a kid or not. And if it is, you toggle it on, it's going to make it for them. Otherwise, you just leave it like that and click and save. And as you can see right here, the new account is there on Netflix. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So all you have to do now going forward, once you sign into Netflix, you just select the account, and this is going to sign you right into your Netflix account once you select the account that you created. That's pretty much it.